I'm going to show you guys exactly the download, so let's go right into the video. This is totally updated, guys. It's time to try this method out for yourself, so let's go.
Hey guys, so today I will show you how to get car parking multiplayer hack for iOS and Android. So this will make you rich. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, we are pretty poor on the game, but now there's a button and you can press it and you can add free gems and coins. So I'm going to turn this all the way up and let's see if it goes up, and then we'll do money. All right, and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, these are our values right now. It's really bad. So hopefully the money increases thanks to my mod menu. And then I will be showing you guys, yes, it works. So I'll be showing you guys how to download this. So let's get straight into the video. But yeah, it's just super cool. So let's get down and dirty into the method. All right, so first part of the method is go to your browser and type tweakmod.com. Alright, so it's tweakmod.com. So type this in and then go to the search bar and put in car parking multiplayer. It should be on here, hopefully. Yeah, there it is. So press install. And then before this mod downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So it's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it is iPhone and Android certified, so it does work on both, which is wild. So yes, this is for all people of all nationalities, which is awesome. So as you can see, guys, it is going to say missing files, whatever, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can see it says missing files, so you just want to download some of these apps. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but you can see like Family Island says reach level 11, so it's a game. So I could do that. I could do the Lucky Match, Mode Casino, any of these apps. Doesn't make a difference. Just make sure you do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused. That's how to get car parking multiplayer hack for iOS and Android. Free money, guys. Can't go wrong. So if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely share it. I'll see you guys later, but that's how to get it for your device. So there you go, guys. tweakmod.com, super cool. So yeah, if this tutorial works for you guys, be sure to share it. You can see the video right here. So yeah, this is so cool, and I've had no jailbreaking requirements or anything like that. So if you play car parking multiplayer and you've been tired of being broke on it, then you might want to check out the mod menu, and you can see some of the modded settings in here as well that they offer. So it's pretty crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out, bro. This is so cool.